Hey everyone, this is Ryan from Got Oil Supplies coming to you live on Facebook and Instagram today. Hopefully you guys aren't getting sick of me yet, but it is December 1st. November is over. Black Friday is over. Cyber Monday is over. And we are here to show you our brand new subscription box for the month of December. And I am really excited about this subscription box because we are doing something new that we've never done before, because we are rolling out some new products and showing you new and different ways to use your essential oils. And so this subscription box is really great. And so I'm here today to show you what's included in our December subscription boxes. And then later this week, we're going to have Karen jump on and do a live, and she's actually going to do a demonstration on how to make up some of these new recipes. So again, you can learn new and different ways to use your essential oils, and that is the whole purpose of these subscription boxes. And so it's just super. These subscription boxes are great. We make it easy for you to learn how to use your essential oils. So it doesn't matter which essential oils you use. We all need essential oil products. We all need recipes, and we all need to find new ways to use our essential oils. And so I'm just waiting a few more minutes just to let some other people join. So if you are watching this, always like, comment, share these videos. It really helps us a lot, and we appreciate it. And so thank you for taking time out of your day to watch our Instagram and Facebook live videos, because we are doing this for you guys, and we really hope that you love our December subscription boxes, because I do, because this subscription box is super fun. And so hey, thanks for the hearts, thumbs up, really appreciate you guys. And so let's get into it. So this month we have our Aromatherapy Twists Collection, and so we have some brand new products, which are these 2-ounce twist tubes right here. And these are perfect to make carrier sticks with. And so this is a brand new product that's not available currently on our website. It's only available in our December subscription boxes. And I promise you guys are going to love this. So let's talk a little bit more about our Aromatherapy Twist Collection before we get into the specifics of what is in each of our subscription boxes. And so Karen, our certified aromatherapist, has developed 8 amazing recipes to help you use your essential oils inside of these twist tubes. And so we have this beautifully designed recipe sheet that is going to help you, again, learn how to use your essential oils. And so first and foremost, we teach you the base formula to make a carrier stick, what you need and how to make it, because that's the most important thing, right? And then she has some amazing recipes on here that you're going to learn to love, and you're going to want to use them all the time. I promise you this. So we have some, I'm going to tell you what the recipes are, because they are great. We have recipes for Breathe Easy. This carrier stick is perfect if you ever have some congestion and you want to use your essential oils. This Breathe Easy recipe is fantastic. Muscle Soothe, Skin Soothe, Soothe Heals. So these carrier sticks are great to use on your feet. And so recipes on here for that. Immunity Strong, of course, Calm and Relaxed, because there's definitely some amazing essential oils to help calm and relax us. Fast Asleep, which you can use to obviously help you get some better sleep. And then some that you might not think of is deodorant. Make a natural homemade deodorant with your essential oils using these twist tubes. And then there's also kind of a little bonus recipe to tell you how to make mini aromatherapy sticks, and I'm going to get into that as well. And so this collection is super fun, and you are going to love it. So let's get into our subscription boxes and what you're going to get in this month. And just remember, I'm going to tell you what you're going to get, and then later this week, Karen's going to get on, and she's actually going to do a demonstration of how to make one of these recipes. You are not going to want to miss that at all. So the first one we have is our is our oiler box. And so our oiler box is perfect for anyone that uses essential oils. It doesn't matter who you are. If you have essential oils in your home, you are going to want to subscribe to our oiler box. It's only $19.95 a month, and you get all of the essential oil supplies that you're going to need to make the collection. And all you need to do is just add your favorite essential oils, and yes, you can make these at home. And so in your oiler box this month, we're going to give you 8 of our brand new 2-ounce twist tubes. Brand new product, really, really cool. You're going to get 8 of these. And then we also designed these really elegant labels that you can use on your twist tubes. And you can put these labels on the side, you can put them on the top. And of course, all of our labels, our label sheets include the lid stickers, and they're already punched, so these label sheets fit inside of your content management system binders. And so if you don't have a binder, go pick one of those up. So you're going to get 8 of the twist tubes. You're going to get the labels. You are going to get the recipe sheet. And of course, we always include funnels, because funnels are, like when you're blending essential oils, these funnels are a lifesaver. Pipettes. And then what we decided to do, because it is December and we wanted to do something holiday-ish, we're also going to include these gold foil Christmas tree labels. And you can use these on anything. If you want to make some Christmas presents, room sprays, anything at all, these gold foil Christmas tree labels are great to use. And so this is also going to be included in your oiler box. And each and every month, we always include a super fun surprise, which I can't show you because then it wouldn't be a surprise. So you get all this stuff, all of these supplies in your oiler box for only $19.95. It is a great deal. And so, and let's just say you are a big shot in your industry, you are growing your essential oil business, and you love doing make and take classes, DIY workshops, and you love to share your essential oils, then we have the Builder Box subscription for you. The Builder Box subscription is only $39.95 a month, and this month, as per usual, it is valued at over $60. Hey, Cheryl from Colorado, thanks for chiming in on Facebook. So yes, if you want to get over $60 of essential oil supplies for only $39.95, and you want help learning how to grow your essential oil business, subscribe to our Builder Box. And so in our Builder Box, we give you the supplies you need to, again, have these make and take classes, make DIY kits, and do these things to help you share your essential oils. And so we give you a dozen of the recipe sheets so you can give them away. We give you a dozen of the label sheets for your classes, for your samples, for anything you want. We give you a dozen of each of these. And then what's really cool, I mentioned this earlier, there is the mini aromatherapy sticks recipe on the back of the recipe sheet. In every Builder Box, we're going to include a dozen of our white lip balm tubes. And these lip balm tubes are actually perfect to make these are perfect sample sizes for our twist tubes. And so instead of making the recipe to fit into one of these twist tubes, make the recipe, put it in one of these little lip balm tubes. Like I mentioned earlier, all of our label sheets include the lid stickers. You can take one of these lid stickers, put it on this lip balm tube, and share these amazing recipes with your friends, family, neighbors, people that you meet in the street, anyone who you want to share your love of essential oils with. And so you get these lip balm tubes to help you share your essential oils. Of course, you're going to get 8 of our brand new twist tubes. And then for the builders, you don't get just one of these gold foil Christmas tree labels, you get 3. We are going to give you these So you can make tons of gifts for your downlines, uplines, super fun. And of course, for our builders, we're also going to throw in the funnel and the pipette and the surprise. You guys are going to not want to miss that surprise because we have something super cute for you guys that we're going to throw in every builder box and oiler box as a surprise. And so that's it. I hope you guys are just as excited about this collection as I am, because these aromatherapy twist tubes are amazing. And so, like I said, Karen's going to be on later to do a demonstration on how to make one of these twist tubes, how to use it. You're not going to want to miss this. And so this is the final subscription box of 2020. And so if you guys love essential oils and you're not already one of our amazing subscribers, head over to godoilsupplies.com right now. Subscribe to either our oiler box or our builder box subscription, and I guarantee you are going to love receiving these essential oil supplies automatically to your house each and every month, because we really do pour our heart and soul into these collections, and you are going to love them. And so that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you have a fantastic December. I hope everyone has a happy holiday. Until next time, everyone, take care. Bye-bye.